Okay, condition here, show the equation no real roots. So my equation for no real roots is b squared minus 4ac is less than or is negative. Okay, so it wants that no real roots no matter what the value of k. So I need to identify a, b and c from this quadratic. A is what's in front of the x squared, which is 1. B is what's in front of the x, which is 2k minus 1. And c is whatever's left over. Keep the brackets there. Okay, now let's work out b squared minus 4ac. So that'll be 2k minus 1 all squared minus 4 times 1 times c. So let's square this bracket then. I square the first term, square 2k, 4k squared, multiply them together and double it. So it's minus 4k, and square the last, square minus 1 is plus 1. Then that's minus 4 times 1 is 4. Let's expand this bracket next. So minus 4 times k squared is minus 4k squared. Minus 4k times minus k is plus 4k. And minus 4 times 2 is minus 8. So 4k squared take away 4k squared is 0. Minus 4k plus 4k also is 0. So I got plus 1 minus 8, which is minus 7. So that value doesn't depend on k at all. So that value is always minus 7. And minus 7 is less than 0. Therefore, no real roots. The second part, find the range of values of x satisfying this inequality. It's a quadratic, so the first thing I need to do is find the key values, which I find by factorising. So that's greater than 0. Right, now then, the method we're going to use then to factorise, we'll put a 3x in each, all over 3. Then I multiply 3 by 12, which makes 36. I'm now looking for two numbers to multiply to give minus 36. I want it to add to give 16. Okay, so multiply to give minus 36 and then combine to make a positive 16. So that's 18 twos. 18 twos are 36, and the difference between 18 and 2 is 16. Because I want a plus 16, that's plus 18 minus 2. Now the first bracket 3 is a common factor, so that's 3 bracket x plus 6, 3x minus 2 all over 3 greater than 0. 3's cancel out. So my key values are x is minus 6 and x is 2/3. Now I say they're key values, that's not the answer to the inequality. What that allows me to do is when I sketch the quadratic, that quadratic cuts the axis at minus 6 and at 2/3. So it's looking like that. I want to know where's this graph above the axis, greater than 0. The axis itself, the x-axis there is 0. So I want it to be above 0. So it's here, so it's this side of 2/3 and it's this side of minus 6. So x will belong to, so this side of minus 6 goes all the way back to minus infinity, and I take all the values up as far as minus 6, or join that together with from 2/3 all the way up to infinity. Now infinity is always have a round bracket, because that is strictly greater than 0. These key values here will also have a round bracket, and there's the solution.